Hello everyone and welcome to Magic Decor, where everyday spaces are turned into extraordinary places. I am Anusha Singh, your host and your creative guide on this journey. So let's sprinkle a little bit of magic into your home decor. Today we have Ms. Shreya Deshpande with us, who's a content creator. So thank you so much for joining us today. So before starting with the session, tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you do?
Okay, so as you said, I'm a content creator as well. So I am also a working professional. I work in marketing and content creation is something that I do out of passion.
Okay.
So I started this about 3-4 years ago and yeah, it's been a great journey.
So what is that you focus on when it comes to content creation?
So my genre is basically in fashion, lifestyle and a little bit of beauty. And I think lifestyle is one such genre that I'm tending more towards these days. I find it really interesting, the kind of products that I can work with, the kind of brands that I work with, right?
Got it.
It's way more interesting than the fashion brands, I would say. But yeah, it's great.
So tell us a little bit about your personal style. What do you like?
Okay. So in terms of interiors, so I come from an interior background, interior designing. I did my degree in interior designing.
Oh, great.
So as you can very well see, I go for very neutral tones, nude colors. I basically choose, even for the wallpapers that I chose here, right? I wanted something in terms of like very bright. Since this room is pretty much small, I feel, I would wanted to probably obviously go for like bright colors, whites and like neutral tones.
Right.
So this is more my style.
So what made you think that now is the time for you to choose a wallpaper?
Okay, so very important question. So I was basically getting bored. I was getting bored with my background. So even in my fashion shoots, I think my audience are also bored with it probably. It's the same white wall all the time. So I thought maybe it could bring a little more twist or like a good interesting factor about my videos. And wallpaper, obviously, it anyway uplifts your mood anytime you just like have a look at it.
True that.
Yeah.
So how did you discover Magic Decor?
I think I saw a few ads running on Instagram and I thought I just like went through your page, the Instagram page, and then I went to the website. I believe there are more than 1,000 designs. So amazing. So I just like I think customized designs as well on your page. That's what caught my eye, So I thought, okay, maybe just like we can give them a try. And I maybe other brands have it, but then the kind of quality that you guys have captured on your reels as well, Instagram page, I really love that.
So there's this one thing, customization is one thing that we focus on. We prefer to create designs that our customers want and like. So yeah, customization is one thing.
Exactly.
Moving on, how did you find this collaboration? How was it?
Oh, it was really smooth. I think we took about 2-3 weeks,
yeah,
I guess max. Yeah, and everything rolled down very smoothly.
Right
from, I was very skeptical actually. This is the first time I'm getting a wallpaper done. So I'd say it was a very smooth experience.
Okay.
Everything was taken care of really well.
That's great. Yeah. So how was the whole process of ordering to purchasing? Like just that you had connected with the person, right? So how was that? The whole process, did it go well? I mean,
yes, like I said, the first process was obviously helping them see how my room looks, the wall where I want to get the wallpaper done.
Right.
And I shared a few images. I maybe brainstormed a couple of designs that I would find. Like I said, there are a lot of designs, so it was very difficult for me to choose the right design. I think I searched for about 4 days, just my entire family as well. So we were like continuously looking at the camera, the phones, choosing the designs. It's very difficult when you have so many designs.
True that.
So after that, I just shared my selections just through WhatsApp, very simple. And from there, they helped me understand the width, the height and the measurements and the installation process. They helped me understand how it works, what I should be ready for, all of that.
Great. So talking about installation process, how was it? Was it messy or it went well? Your experience?
It wasn't messy. I'd say they managed it pretty well. I think applying the glue obviously is like a messy thing, right? There's no other way to do it. So everything was pretty good.
Okay. So now that we can see, it actually looks wonderful.
It does.
How was your first reaction when you saw the wallpaper finally installed?
Okay, you want me to be honest?
Yeah, true that.
Okay. So I was very skeptical the way they were applying the wallpapers because I've never seen anybody install a wallpaper. So it obviously is like a shock to me, right? The wallpaper started crumpling, and I was like, okay, is that how it's going to look?
Okay.
Did they mess up or something like that, you know? And I just like went out of the room. I gave them some time. They fixed few things, and then when I finally came in, I was like, okay, this looks great. You know, they've managed it really well.
Lovely.
So yeah.
So why did you choose this specific design? It actually looks lovely, but what got your attention?
I think because the way it's so subtle and neutral, but at the same time it looks very grand as well, right?
True.
And this combination, in fact, I didn't want this to be the entire wall because again it would get a little more monotonous.
Right.
So then I thought I could break that with this pattern. And I think the colors also go very well together.
Right.
So yeah.
There are 2 wallpapers that you've installed, right? In 2 rooms.
Yes.
So which is your favorite
This
wallpaper?
has to be the favorite one because it goes so well with the room, my curtains and my wardrobe. It has a similar color tones. So I think I love this.
For me, it gives a lot of princess vibes, to be honest. It does.
Now that I see it, yes, it does.
It does. So any tips and advice for our listeners who would like to go ahead with wallpapers?
I mean, go through the designs for a week because there are a lot of designs. And I was in a stage where I didn't know which to pick because there are so many good designs. I wanted all of them, to be honest. So yeah, take your time. Don't be in a hurry, probably.
Right.
Then understand the installation process. Ask them how the entire process is going to be, what you are supposed to be prepared for. So you probably need to be asking the right questions to them, and they can help you out. Like it's
Correct.
very flexible, I guess.
Definitely. So did you receive any compliments or comments from friends and family?
All the time. Like I think, so after we collaborated, right?
Right.
A lot of my followers also really liked the background, and they've just kept asking me ever since I uploaded that reel, even in my DMs. They've been asking, where did we get it from? Or like, how did you decide to get this? And even my neighbors, they just like, after I got this installed, my neighbors were very happy. I think you guys are going to get few orders from there as well.
That's great. We are waiting for that. So, would you prefer going with Magic Decor for future projects?
Definitely. After these, I'm actually very disappointed that I got only these projects done. I wanted my hall as well as my dining area, you know, covered with the amazing, exquisite wallpaper. So definitely you can see that happening again.
So I think this has been such an insightful conversation with Shreya. Thank you so much. Tell our listeners where they can follow you and your work.
You can follow me on Instagram as of now. That's where I'm mostly active. My ID is _Shreya.ab_.
Thank you so much, Shreya, for sharing your Magic Decor story with us. And we are really glad that we can create such inspiring spaces that you and customers would love. Thank you so much. Thank you.